Hey guys, welcome back. So in today's video, I will be showing you how we can remove watermarks in LibreOffice Writer. So you open the document with your that you have watermark on it. Now what you can do, uh, go here to the top bar to the format and then click watermark. Now the simple you will find out here text, just delete that one and the watermark will disappear. Now here you can have the issue if this watermark doesn't you can't remove it. It means that it's basically in the background of your document or in the header or somewhere that it's integrated in your document. So this watermark removal here in LibreOffice Writer just works with documents where the watermark was made with this tool right here with watermark inside LibreOffice. So if you can't remove your watermark right here with this method, then you need to try and find other methods to remove it. But yeah, so this is how you can remove watermark in LibreOffice Writer. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, consider to like the video, subscribe to the channel. Thank you for watching and I will see you in the next one.